Desk temperature, a chilly 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet this is what we do with our feet during the hours and hours we spend at our desk. We could continue doing this, but there's a better way to sit at your desk. We call it the foot hammock, the most comfortable way to sit at your desk. I'm a college student and a gamer, so I spend more than my fair share of time sitting at my desk. Really more hours than I spend sleeping. And as I was sitting at my desk, I realized my feet were getting cold, my legs weren't really supported, I wasn't really as comfortable as I wanted to be. As I started looking for better solutions, I tried a bunch of different things. I tried a cardboard box, that wasn't very comfortable. I tried my printer, I ended up breaking that. So I got together with my roommate Brent and we began developing the foot hammock.
The two main problems we wanted to solve were how to support your feet and keep them warm. We wanted a product that would be comfortable, machine washable, easy to take off and put back on, and most importantly, we wanted to work on every desk. After going through the design process, we went through 50 different types of fabrics, over 20 different ways to attach it to your desk using Velcro, suction cups, double-sided tapes, and we finally came up with a product that we have for you today. The foot hammock seamlessly sticks to the bottom of any desk using a powerful patented adhesive technology that can hold up to 100 pounds. It's easy to put on, it's easy to take off, and it works under every desk. The foot hammock can be adjusted to any position desired, whether you want it close to the ground or up and out of the way.
We've created a product that is really amazing and comfortable to use, so let's take a look at our rewards. We've created 3 versions of this product. The first version is the original and it's made of mesh, which allows you to use the product with your shoes on. You can also use the product with your shoes off, and the breathable material lets your feet keep cool. The second version is our fleece version. This can be used with your shoes, but it was really made to be used barefoot. It's really comfortable and allows you to keep your feet cozy and very warm. Finally, we have the heated version of the fleece blanket. This allows you to adjust the heat to your desired level, keeping your feet at a 10 out of 10 on the warmness scale. Now as a stretch goal, if we hit $100,000, for all fleece backers, we'll provide a free fleece blanket attachment that envelops the heat and keeps your feet extra warm. With your help backing and sharing this project, I know that we can hit this goal. You spend a lot of money making sure your sleeping experience is as comfortable as possible. You spend just about as much time at a desk as you do sleeping, so we think you should invest in your comfort here too. And that's why I invented the foot hammock. We appreciate all your support, and thanks for backing.
The manual snow cone maker and ice shaver by Victoria Kitchen Products makes entertaining a breeze and is perfect for parents on the go. Making treats for kids and guests has never been simpler. To use, fill the molds with water and place in your freezer. Once frozen, put the block of ice in the top of the snow cone maker. The tension spring and spikes on the lid hold the ice in place as you turn the handle. The stainless steel shaving blade produces a continuous flow of fluffy shaved ice for all types of beverages and frozen desserts. Victoria Kitchen Products has also created an electric snow cone maker. Both can be used for snow cones, smoothies, and daiquiris. For a healthier option, use 100% juice to freeze or as a syrup to produce a vitamin-rich, icy treat with no artificial sweeteners. Shaved ice is versatile and is perfect for all types of food platters and seafood displays. Both snow cone makers are sold at many retail locations throughout the U.S. and Canada. Or order yours online at victoriaproducts.com.
You don't need harsh chemicals for your next cleanup job. All you need is the Hyde Quickly Clean glove, the safe, natural way to erase the mess. Simply wet the Quickly Clean glove and get to work removing paint from brushes and rollers, even dried up old paint and putty. Gentle on your hand, yet tough enough to remove dirt and grime in your garage, and soap scum from your shower and fixtures. Just add water, and the Quickly Clean glove's patented weave is ready to scrub away stubborn dirt and grass from golf clubs, even remove that stuck-on road grit from your wheels. Ink and marker? Gone. Tough stains on the furniture? Erased. No more cleaning up with harsh chemicals that irritate your hands. The Quickly Clean glove is safe for all surfaces, even your own skin. When you're done, simply rinse the glove and hang it to dry. The Quickly Clean glove from Hyde.
This is the iOX, a new companion for your portable electronic device that gives you freedom. The iOX allows you to handle your phone or gaming device seamlessly and eliminates the risk of dropping it.
I won't have to worry about my phone falling and cracking.
I drop my phone plenty of times.
You're like walking, swerving through like traffic and whatnot.
I think it's really cool. I'm tall, so things fall down.
No one can grab it off the subway and run out the door with it.
Pop up the half rings when you want to use it and fold them flat when you don't. The elegant spiral design also allows the iOX to double as a tabletop stand.
Yeah, man, it's pretty slick, and it just leans, and you can just like have it lean like on a surface or something.
And it's the first smartphone grip in the world that you can attach or detach without any adhesive or magnet.
It comes off easily and it doesn't leave a mark.
It doesn't leave a mark either, huh?
The iOX is only 14 grams in weight and thin enough to slip into your pocket, measuring under 5 millimeters in thickness. We established the perfect ratio of practicality and strength by using the same stainless steel used in your best jewelry and wristwatches.
That is so dope.
Nice. Brilliant.
It's great. Very useful. And cute.
It's wild, man.
That's so cool.
The iOX has undergone an evolution of prototypes in order to engineer the strongest, sleekest, and most stylish design possible.
You're like laying down in bed like this, so it won't fall on my face. I've had that happen before.
Yeah, take a picture and it falls on your face. You're taking pictures and you want to reach like a selfie. Yeah.
You ever take selfies?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Want to take a picture together?